Hi everyone, good morning. So this is Mr. Vijay Titus. Today's topic that we will continue of reported speech. Yesterday we have discussed about means in my last class we have discussed the introduction part and a little bit I told you about what is direct. Okay, and today I am going to tell you what is indirect. When we understand what is direct and indirect, then after we will transform the sentence and then after we will think about how to change of sentences, how to change of tense, all things we will discuss later. But so today we are going to discuss about indirect. So some sentence I will write for you direct, then after I will give you and that you have written the definition of direct or indirect, and just I will write you some other sentence for they told me. Okay. We are happy. We are happy. So you may see this is inverted comma and it is the exact name. Sorry, it is the exact word or sentence that is used by the speaker, and the narrator placed here, that is exactly. So this is called direct. Now you may see there are two parts. There are two parts. This part is called a reported speech and this part is called reporting verb. Okay, this is reporting verb from here to here. Okay, from here to here we can from here to here we see this is reporting verb. And this part is called reported speech. Okay, reported speech and a reporting verb. And you see there is subject, verb and object. There is subject, verb and object. Okay, sometime usually speech comes after the reporting verb, but sometime not, most of the time speech will come first like this, then after reporting verb like this. We are happy. We are happy. They said. They told me. Like this. Need to remember, when you write, this is easy. And normally, according to 10th class, most of the time we can use it, but occasionally this kind of sentence also will come. So first reported speech, then after reporting verb. Now the part is reporting verb, at the same time reported speech is there. So need to remember that he is, according to last class example, he is Ram and he is Mohan. Okay, he is Ram and he is Ram and he is Mohan. Anyway, whosoever, that doesn't matter. But one thing we need to understand, that is, and where there is a reported speech is there, so that may be direct or indirect, and this is called direct. This is called direct. So what is indirect? I will write the definition for indirect, then I will give you one example. Then after we will learn how to change the tense, how to change the sentences, and etc. So indirect speech. Indirect speech definition. Okay, just you follow me when you see the original sense of the direct speech. The original sense of the direct speech the original sense of the direct speech is conveyed making required change in the actual word. Change in the actual word of the speaker. So just you have to understand that. Okay, indirect speech means there is no origination. The original word, the original sentence that is transformed, into the narrator's word or sentence. That is why the definition, the original sense of the direct speech. Original sense means above sentence we see there, we are happy. That is original sense. We are happy. That is original sense. Okay, is conveyed making required change. Means that original sense will be changed into different sense. Okay, will be changed into different sense. How that will be into different sense, that I will tell you. For example, you have written first sentence. We are happy. Okay, that was put with an inverted comma. So instead of that, they were happy. They were happy. So this is called indirect. Means it was the exact word or exact sentence. Okay, that was told by the speaker. Okay, but someone who heard, he convey it in different way according to his sense. Okay, meaning are same. Okay, meaning and themes are same, but language and words or sentence that is something different. So this is called direct, and according to this way we need to understand what is direct and indirect. So from next class I will be teaching you, or we will be learning that about changing of rules for changing direct speech into indirect. There will be so many direct speech, and how we can change that from direct to indirect. That thing from next class we will learn. So in this video lecture, last class and today's class, what we learned, what is direct, what is indirect, okay, and the necessary of direct and indirect, all things we have learned. From tomorrow means from next class we are going to learn about changing. So before ending of this video, I would like to request you, if yet you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.